friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a comparison video of Java 42 and Royal Enfield Classic 350. So both the bikes have major difference of CC engines. This has a 300cc engine, that has 350cc engine with a twin exhaust, in the Java 42, and single exhaust in the Royal Enfield with a twin Spark 350cc engines. So first is first, this is coming to headlights. These are halogen, no projector setup, LED DRLs on offer with halogen indicators, and number plate position is very nice. And coming to Java 42, also the same, no projector setup, LED DRLs, and only halogens on the headlights and halogens on the indicators. And coming to front, as both telescopic shock absorbers, both the performance are very nice in the shock absorbers. And coming to tire profile, 19 inches as a Royal Enfield, and front as a disc as massive enough in the Royal Enfield. And coming to Java 42, the profile of the front as 18 inches. One is decreased from the Royal Enfield to this, and this has a huge radiator in the front with the reflector, as said already in the walk around video. So comparison to that, there will be no radiator in that. Coming to engine placements of both the bikes, Java 42 get 293cc engine, 27 PS of power and 28 Nm of torque, single cylinder liquid cool engine, 4 valves per each cylinder. The other side, Royal Enfield get 346cc engine, 50cc engine is more than Java 42, 19 PS of power at 5250 rpm, 28 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm. Single cylinder air cooled engine. The air cooled engine is far better than Java 42 liquid cool engines, 2 valves per each cylinder. So coming to side profile, you get a Tank Java as written on the paint finish, and you get Royal Enfield as a paint finish in the Classic 350 also same, and there is no Java 42 written on the side. The Classic 350 has written, Java 42 written at the rear. And coming to side, both having chrome treatments on, lot of chrome treatments, and you get a chrome treatment on side view mirrors in the Royal Enfield and matte black finish in the side view mirrors of Java 42. Coming to rear, both are halogens of tail lights, no LEDs on offer, and indicators at the rear also same halogens. And coming to rear profile tire, the Royal Enfield has 110 90 18 inches of Royal Enfield has, and the Java 42 has 90 17 inches. One is decreased from the rear also comparison. And color treatment of Java 42 has massive, and nowadays the Royal Enfield has been also BS6 has removed a lot of color treatments. And now coming to color treatments of both the bikes, Royal Enfield get 14 color treatments on offer, and Java 42 get 9 colors on offer. You get twin exhaust in the Java 42, you get a single exhaust in the Royal Enfield, lot of the market, sorry for that. And number plate positions are very nice, and you get a disc at the 42 at the top end variant. Also you get a disc, a red disc at the Royal Enfield in the top end variant. The comparison of features of both the bikes, Java 42 has single channel ABS on offer, twin exhaust, and console analog and digital meter. Coming to Royal Enfield of other side, dual channel ABS on offer, it advanced feature I can say better than Java 42, and single exhaust with and console analog meter. Coming to seats, it has a splitted seats, driver position and pillion position is very nice, comfortable in the long journeys. But there Java 42 has a single position of seat with a partition in the between the belt only for that, and very difficult in the long journeys of the Java 42 compared to Royal Enfield. So Royal Enfield has a shock absorbers under the seat of driver position also, but you won't get the same shock absorbers in the under the seat of Java 42. So coming to side profile, both the profiles are very nice, and color treatment comparison of this video is very nice. And also Java 42 get lot of color treatments and chrome finish of additional treatment of that. And Royal Enfield also get a chrome finish on 350 Classic 350. Nothing much to say, a lot of accessories on the Royal Enfield now, and you won't get a lot of accessories now in the Java 42, only crash guard of the market. So coming to tank, it has a 12.5 liters of capacity Royal Enfield has, and that has a 14 liters in tank capacity. Java has a major difference between 2 liters of difference. And
Now coming to dimensions of both the bikes, Royal Enfield get length of 2160 mm, width of 790 mm, height of the vehicle comes with 1090 mm, fuel capacity of Royal Enfield comes with 13.5 liter and ground clearance is massive enough, 135 mm of ground clearance in Royal Enfield, wheelbase comes with a 1390 mm, the carb weight comes with the Royal Enfield of 195 kgs in Royal Enfield Classic 350. Coming to other side, Java 42 get fuel capacity of 14 liters, saddle height of 765 mm. The wheelbase of the vehicle comes with a 1369 mm. The carb weight of Java 42 get 172 kgs, lesser than Royal Enfield. But only disappointing here is the ground clearance of the vehicle Java 42 is very less compared to Royal Enfield.
And comparison ratio is 9:5:1 in the Royal Enfield and 11:1 in the Java 42. So both are single cylinder, but the air cooled engine you can travel for a long time, and that is a liquid cooled engine you should be stop at the long journeys.
Talking about both the bikes of engine placement, Royal Enfield get chain drive, fuel injection in BS6 vehicle, 5-speed gearbox, easy shift and 70 mm bore, 90 mm stroke on offer. The comparison ratio of Royal Enfield is 8:5:1. Other side, Java 42 get chain drive, fuel injection on offer at BS6 vehicle, 6-speed manual transmission gearbox, 76 mm of bore and 65 mm of stroke. The comparison ratio of Java 42 get 11:1.
Only the position of the bikes and the seat height, wheelbase as a 1369, both the wheelbases are same, and nothing much difference in both the bikes. Only the position and seat height, some of the major differences in both the bikes having.
Now coming to other side of chassis of both the bikes, Royal Enfield gets single down tube using engines of treated Membi of chassis in Royal Enfield Classic 350. Coming to other side of Java 42 get simple of double carriage of Java chassis and cruiser bike position of body type in Royal Enfield Classic 350, and Java 42 also same as cruiser bike position of Java 42.
And coming to instrument cluster, these have some advanced feature, that analog digital meter with a full swipe on offer and lot of indications in the Java 42, but you won't get the same instrument cluster in the Royal Enfield. It has a old school design of instrument cluster, so you get only simple instrument cluster with a speedometer, odometer, neutral indications and some indications. So chrome finish touches on Royal Enfield are a lot compared to Java 42. Also Java 42 is also a lot of chrome finishes, and safeguards is also very nice, and this side guard is also same position, and but you get side guard better in the Royal Enfield compared to Java 42. So Java 1929 written on the engine placement, so chrome finish of engine, and horn is very nice, and these horn also very nice, but you get off the market horn now in this bike, and Royal Enfield stickering on the side battery box. Now
to suspension of both the bikes, major difference between both the bikes, Java 42 get front as telescopic hydraulic fork simple way of Java 42, and Royal Enfield gets front as telescopic 35mm front and while traveling in 130mm of Royal Enfield Classic 350, and rear suspension of Java 42 get gas consider twin shock hydraulic suspension in Java 42, and Royal Enfield get twin gas charge shock with absorb with a 5-step adjustable of preload and 80mm of travel in Royal Enfield Classic 350.
The switches on the instrument handlebars are wide enough, and the switches of the handlebars are same as engine kill switch, self start button, high beam and low beam horn and pass light switch. Both the bikes are having same. Handlebars are both having same, but this Java has a different look of handlebars, and the seating position also different while riding. I have did a test drive video, please go and check that. Here is a I button for that, and this is a walk around video. So it's a short video. I have made the comparison of both the bikes. A lot of them are asking to make a walk around video of both the bikes, and you get rear as both monopoly shock absorber gas filled of both the bikes. So the space between the Java is having more body level to tire level compared to Royal Enfield, but Royal Enfield shock absorbers has some harder side. Java 42 shock absorber at the rear has some slighter smoother side, so easily at the bumps you won't get difficult, but only the ground clearance problem issued in the Java 42 has very less compared to Royal Enfield. So
finally, the price of the vehicle comes with a huge difference between both the bikes. Java 42 gets start at 1.68 lakhs and top end at 1.8 lakhs. And coming to other side of Royal Enfield, price is huge as per my opinion. 1.67 lakhs starting and basic version. Coming to top end of dual channel ABS with the color treatments variants, 1.92 lakhs of Royal Enfield Classic 350 gets.
Overall, this is a comparison video of Java 42 and Royal Enfield Classic 350 Gunmetal Grey. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit comments for comparison videos. So follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So this is a walk around video. Bye bye.